Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, today we are going to do a variation of a very popular sandwich, breakfast sandwich on the East Coast. I had this in New Jersey. It's called a pork roll breakfast sandwich, and you can YouTube that and check it out. So, it is a gut bomb of a sandwich, and it uses a huge bun, 4 slices of a pork roll, which comes just like this bologna here. We had fried bologna sandwiches the other night, so I have leftover buns. So this is going to be a scaled down version of their basic, which is going to have a couple of slices of this fried bologna, grated cheddar cheese. This is my own cold smoked cheddar cheese, eggs, and they use ketchup, and but we're going to use ketchup and mayonnaise, and we just have regular sized hamburger buns. So again, this is going to be a scaled down version. Okay, and to help minimize curling, we're just going to make a couple little slices in our bologna. All right, we'll get the cheese grated. Okay, we have all our ingredients ready. Let's go outside, 70 degrees, and cook on the Blackstone griddle. Again, this is a variation because I'm using beef bologna, not pork. And as usual, let's get our buns toasted first. All right, let's check our buns here. All right, they look toasted. All right, let's get our bologna going here. Okay, it's really windy out here, so it's really blowing. All right, we're prepping our bun. It's real windy out here. So these thicker pieces are going to be our base. And we'll get that cheese melted on there. All right, it's time to flip our egg. All right, we're almost there. Okay, let's go ahead and build our sandwich. And here we are. Okay, so let's have a taste here. I hope you like my version of the New Jersey pork roll sandwich, except with beef bologna. and a much smaller size. I hope you enjoyed that. This is kind of an idea, something you could do on your Blackstone griddle. Appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.